It's Uncle Dave's chaotic kitchen, and it's a very warm Saturday morning. I'm clammy because my eldest son took me out in Manchester yesterday. Last night, didn't get in till midnight, but Auntie Karen's gone to have her hair done, and she's demanding that I cook her a lovely Bolognese. So I'm going to do my take on a Bolognese, which isn't mine. It's from an Italian lady in Arroyo de Mil near Benalmadena, and they own a superb Italian restaurant. And this is her ragu, which I've put a couple of twists into. So you need 3 ounces of mushrooms, a pound of butcher's mince. If you can get butcher's mince, supermarket will do, but it is better. Parmesan, pancetta, 3 carrots, passata, tomato puree. I've said the glass of red, have I? There's half a pint of beef stock. And as we come across here, you've got some garlic granules, basil, bay leaves, and fresh rosemary. So I'm going to get to it, but of course there's one other ingredient which is only required by me, which is 4 cans of Cruz Campo, which I'll be supping while I'm making this. Okay, let's go. I'm back again. It's like that party game where you remove something from the tray. I had completely omitted to pop on a courgette, an onion, and 2 small sticks of celery. So now we have the complete ingredients. I shall put them up at the end anyway. So first off, we need to just drop a tiny bit of oil, and it is only a tiny bit, and then heat up the frying pan. Drop the pancetta in there. Don't waste any, don't waste any. Here we go. Drop it in there and then leave that on a medium heat for about 6 or 7 minutes. We need it to start to really crisp up, and it'll flavour the base for our wonderful ragu. So it's boring to watch somebody prep the vegetables that go into this. So I've already chopped the onions, the celery and the carrots, and also slice the courgettes. We're just blitzing all that down now. I bought this from Lakeland and it's absolutely fabulous, so quick. Final blitz, and we should be good to go. And here we are. The veg is now chopped to very, very, very fine. Known in Italy as a sofrito. We call it very, very, very finely chopped vegetables, but it is forming the base for a wonderful recipe. So these are going to go in with the pancetta. Ooh, hear the sizzle as they marry up very nicely with the pancetta. And now, of course, we introduce it all to each other with a lovely stir. And this needs about 10 minutes and it will start to caramelize. So this is going to be super duper when we introduce the meat in about 10 minutes. Till then, it's time for a Cruz Campo. 5 minutes in and it is coming along extremely nicely. Now I'm just going to introduce some fragrant rosemary, fresh rosemary, but only a spoonful, and let that join the party. Oh, it's going to be lovely. Oh, I've got to say, I'm feeling old today. I don't normally feel anything till midday, and then I go for a nap. Oh, heck. Okay, so about 10 minutes, we're introducing the butcher's mince. This is going to be top. Rake it up on a high heat, and we'll just leave that again, probably 3 or 4 minutes. We'll revisit it and I can show you how it's coming along. Right, it's had 10 minutes, and as you can see, I've just added the courgettes and the mushrooms. So this is going to have about another 5 minutes, and then we're getting very, very close to saying, right, you can now simmer until you turn into what we're going to have for tea. Oh, it's the 12th of July and it's 29 degrees outside, so it must be 35 in here with me cooking. There's something trickling down my leg. I hope it's sweat. Now then, we're going in for the tomato passata, which is only from Aldi. To make it easier, I've popped it into this glass. So that will blend in, and then we will introduce a little bit of tomato puree as well, just a couple of spoonfuls of that. Beautiful, coming together. Tomato puree joins the party. That's enough, probably about just a tablespoon. Now we add a glass of Merlot or any good quality red wine. Finally, half a pint of rich beef stock. And that, my friends, is, apart from a little bit of seasoning and some bay leaves dropped into it, that is now ready to turn into exactly what we want. And it's going to take a while. This is what the lady at the Italian restaurant explained to me. A good ragu is 3 hours in the making. And believe me, I've tried it and it does really make a difference. So as we come to the boil, we insert a couple of bay leaves. Must remember to take them out at the end. Nothing worse than biting through a bay leaf on your plate. And then we're just going to sprinkle a bit of garlic. Job is done. And there we go. Now the hard work is over, and it's on a very low simmer. And this is the key to it all, because previously when I used to make a bolognese, I'd probably stir it for about another 10 minutes and serve it. But the key to it is this low simmer, and believe me, it is outstanding, the difference. But it needs to be 2.5 to 3 hours. So pop back and stir it if it starts sticking on the bottom, about once every half hour. But now you can go and get your second can of Cruz Campo. Ho, ho. So here we are after 3 hours. I've left it for a full 3 hours, and Auntie Karen said, would I mow the lawn? Luckily for me, the cordless lawnmower battery was flat. So I went and had a Cruz Campo and had a little nap. And here we go. Oh, yes. Yes, indeed. We are looking good. Let's get the spoon and move it around so you can see now just how rich that has become. And the final thing that's required is Parmesan. I would say that much. No more. That'll do it, because then you can serve Parmesan with it when the time comes that you're going to actually sit down and enjoy this masterpiece of food. And then a strange one, a quirky one, but I recommend it and you must do it, is a swirl of double cream. Oh my goodness me. There we go. Right. Oh, look at it. Ooh. Okay, stir that baby in. And it just gives it that wonderful finishing look, glazed look. Beautiful. Oh, I'm hungry now. Yeah, so I'm not doing too bad anyway. 7 months, I'll be 70. Good God. And I'm wondering when I wake up that morning whether I'll suddenly start talking like this and going out and chastising the children, playing football outside my house and dribbling. We shall see. Not there yet, though. So there we go. That, my dears, is absolutely the best bolognese sauce that you will ever, and I mean ever, taste. Good luck and give it a try. You'll see see what Auntie Karen thinks of it when I serve it to her. Oh, yes. And hopefully here's the proof in the pudding. Now then.
Oh, Dad, this is absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, keep talking.
No, I need to...
best bolognese for the best wife, I would say. Get yourself some garlic bread.
Yes, will do. And, right, when we finish this, can you get that washing in? And the charger is now full for the lawn.
Oh, God.